Speaking of Velcro, we tested somewhere between 18 and 22 different types of Velcro. I personally didn't know there were that many Velcros out there, but when we started looking at these materials, we realized that it had to be the right Velcro. It's an industrial grade Velcro that's strong enough to hold it in place, but it also continues to enhance the product itself, and it doesn't have this big thick profile or change the nature of the product itself. So that's Velcro.